Here's a quick unboxing video for you of these Gritter safety shooting glasses. I wanted to do the unboxing because it's impressive. So they come in this case, which is a nice case, and then you unzip this and you see they're in another soft case. I know, it's impressive, right? And then when you open this up, you see how well they're packed. They're each covered in some plastic, and then you have the additional glasses to switch to. So you have a darker glass and then a orange glass. I think this is for low light conditions. And then this is a clear glass. Now, I can't wait to use these outside and see how well they work. Now check out some of these other features. I like the straight earpiece, just comes straight back. And then look at the nose piece. That nose piece is really nice. I believe that's the kind of nose piece that the more you sweat, the better it sticks. Yes, pretty good. Oh yeah, these are nice. Yep. One alternative use for these that I plan to try is wearing these while playing pickleball. I know. These are safety shooting glasses. But with pickleball, the ball is actually small enough that it can fit in here and damage your eye. So in low light conditions, you still need to wear protective eyewear. And I believe these would be good. They're comfortable, they're stable. I think they would be great. Might even try this for when it's kind of low light conditions. Impressive safety shooting glasses. They come well packaged. They look nice. They're comfortable. They got the straight earpiece. I recommend them.